So you'd start by seeing how there is a 8 in front of the S on the reactant side and a 2 subscript on the S on the product side. So you have to put a 4 in front of the CS2 to make sure that there's 8 sulfurs on the product side. But doing that, you also made 4 carbons. So to do that, you have to put a 4 in front of the C as a coefficient on the reactant side to make sure you have 4 carbons and 8 sulfurs on both sides. It's a lot easier if you write this out first, which is what we showed doing at the end. So you can write down each one, and when you write out how many carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens are shown on each side, which is kind of another more accurate method of doing it. And so no matter what, you're gonna get the answer. It just might take a little bit longer than what I did in the first video. So by doing this, you'll see that you need to put a 6 coefficient in front of both the water and the carbon dioxide. And always coefficients, no subscripts can be added while balancing equations. You only add coefficients. Our last reaction is simply photosynthesis. And you can try this one on your own. We are working it out, I'm talking right now. And what you really need to focus on remembering is that you need to have the same number on one side as on the other. It's literally just balancing. You need the same on the reactants as is on the products. Same as left is right. And when you're doing this, remember that you can only add coefficients. You can't add a subscript. You can't throw in a little 2 down there on one thing. And so if it is in a compound, everything in there is times by the coefficient. So if it has a subscript of 2 and a coefficient of like 4, it's 8. And it's things like that that you need to remember when balancing equations. And balancing equations are very important because